Diseases are of two types. Microbes or microorganisms are the immediate cause for some diseases. These are called infectious or communicable diseases. On the other hand, the cause of the second category of diseases vary. They do not spread from an infected person to a healthy one. These diseases are called non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. Can you point out the examples and differences of these two types of diseases? The cause for non-communicable diseases can vary, but the reason for communicable disease can be any of these pathogens like virus, bacteria, fungus, protozoans or worms. Among these, viruses are submicroscopic organisms. We cannot see them through a simple microscope. Their body includes a genetic material and a protein coat called capsid. As they lack a well-defined body, it is difficult to control them using medicines. We know how difficult it is to control the COVID virus. When they enter a body, they invade their cells, use the protoplasm of the host cell for their life processes. So, virus is considered a puzzle for biologists. Can you give more examples for viral diseases? On the other hand, bacteria, though small, we can control them. We have studied its structure. Bacteria are closely related to each other than to viruses. Many life processes of different types of bacteria are similar. It means that one medicine is effective against many types of bacteria. For example, the antibiotics block the biochemical pathways common in bacteria. The antibiotic penicillin block the cell wall formation and the newly formed bacteria die as they are unable to make a cell wall. How are infectious diseases spread? They are spread through air, water, physical contact or vectors like mosquitoes. COVID-19 is spread through air. When an infected person cough, sneeze or spit, tiny droplets holding the germs are released in air. When one standing nearby inhales them for a longer period, these microbes find a new host and infect him. This mode of transmission is called droplet infection. Can you tell why are people told to maintain social distancing to avoid airborne diseases? Can you give more examples for airborne diseases other than COVID? When the excreta of someone suffering with a gut disease is mixed with drinking water and those who drink this water is also caught with the disease. Such diseases are common in the absence of safe supply of drinking water. Can you locate waterborne diseases? See how our diseases spread through physical contact. One of the dreadful diseases spread through this method is AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome (AIDS) is spread through the body fluids like blood, semen, etc. The virus of the disease, namely human immunodeficiency virus (HIV), is spread through sexual contact with a AIDS affected person from a pregnant mother to baby, through breastfeeding and through blood transfusion. Till now we have discussed how our infectious diseases spread through air, water and physical contact. All these are vectors of diseases. They carry the pathogens from one to another without being affected. Thus, they act as the carriers of the pathogens. The most common vector is mosquito. The other examples are louse, ticks, flea, etc. Why does a mosquito suck our blood?